que digamos. Oh man, que digamos. Que digamos. Que digamos. Digamos comes from the verb decir, and que means that or what. That digamos, we say, that we say, similar to, well, that's the literal translation, that we say, and makes no sense, but it's similar to saying, in my opinion. Okay, so if you want to, say something about something you have an opinion on, you can use this phrase for that. Similar to in my opinion. Obviously in Spanish, in my opinion is en mi opinión, but this is another way to say in my opinion in Spanish. For example, la casa no es tan grande. La casa no es tan grande. Okay? Que digamos. La casa no es tan grande que digamos. Interesting. And this means, in my opinion, the house is not that big. Very easy. Que digamos, it's just, I can't imagine someone who's learning Spanish and out of the blue someone says this, la casa no es tan grande que digamos, and you're like, what? Que digamos? What does that mean? It makes no sense if you translate that phrase, but it's similar to saying, in my opinion. La casa, you know what that means. La casa means the house. La casa, very common word. I think this is one of the first words that people learn in Spanish first. And then, that people learn first in Spanish. No es, la casa no es, the house is not. Tan is a great word that means so or that when comparing or when talking about, big, small, that big, that small, and so on. Grande means big, okay? Big. Que digamos means, in my opinion. Okay? La casa no es tan grande que digamos. The house is not that big. In my opinion, the house is not that big. Okay? So great. I really like this phrase. Another common phrase that you can add to your vocabulary for sure. And it's so commonly used in Spanish. Okay.